Hi friends, this is your Lesson 8 exit ticket. So for number 1, the first thing I want you to do is you're going to order these numbers from greatest to least. Okay, remember greatest means biggest, least means smallest. Okay, so you're going to put these 4 numbers in order from greatest or biggest to least or smallest numbers. Okay, you're going to write these numbers on this line in biggest to smallest. Then for number 2, you're going to complete these sentences using this word bank over here, okay? Remember, this is greater than, is less than, is equal to. So you're going to look at A and say, all right, 17 and 24. What word would complete that sentence? 17 is greater than 24, 17 is less than 24, or 17 is equal to 24. You're going to write one of these little words on this line. Then for B, you see 23, and then you see 2 10s and 3 1s. Well, think about it. What number is 2 10s and 3 1s? And is 23 greater than that, less than that, or is it equal to? And then finally for C, fill in the missing words. 29 is what to 20?